This is just a quick showcase video for the Branco Customs Boar Cleaver. This one was constructed with 5mm thick 01 tool steel. It's got hammer forged textured flats on the side and a big flat grind on the main bevel. This one features a micarta handle with a mix of 8mm and 3mm brass pins and a nice brass lanyard tube, and it's got some custom etchings on there to the customer's requirement, of one with a nice little wild boar and another one with a honeybee on it. Mirrored polished on the edges and a nice satin finish on the main bevel. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and the things I create and would like to see more of it, please hit like, hit subscribe, and then if you also hit the notification bell, you'll be notified as soon as I release some new material on YouTube.